everyone, so this is Ada by NJ and I will give you a few reasons why you should visit here. So they have a section for flat 850, two sections है जिसमें 20% off है, a complete summer collection जिसमें आपको court set, shirts, dresses सब कुछ मिल जाएगा and in a pocket friendly prices. साथ ही साथ अगर आपको 5XL तक शॉपिंग करनी है तो they have sizes till 5XL. So come down here, it's a store at Sindhu Bhavan Road, first floor, shop number 103 and अगर collection देखना है तो all you have to do is swipe left. So yes, of course we have some quads sets as well. Look at this, something with waistcoat, and then these are more quads. Some
we have colors, color options also. This is in linen.
Right.
एक मैंने पहना हुआ है. We have a color option in this also.
So what she's wearing, there is one more option. Yeah.
Then like this. This is also nice.
Pretty.
If you want something in shirt, bit longer cords.
Oh, pretty nice. ये भी लॉन्ग में है सारे.
Up and down.
Up and down में. Okay.
Little bit of detailing.
Yeah.
In the pockets.
With pockets. Yeah. Cute. So summer friendly shirts देख लेते हैं. Nice for office wear. Something with cargos, pants, jeans, anything literally. Look at that. And the fabric is really nice and soft.
बेज में बहुत सारे हैं, अभी हॉट फेवरेट है इसलिए.
Beige and off-white is really popular. Then we have in long as well. थोड़ा अगर किसी को long में चाहिए. Alright. Then we have dresses.
Some solid dresses and some in prints.
Embroidered है, prints है, little bit of detailing. Solid colors में.
This is with a jacket.
Oh, this is really cool.
कांथा वर्क के साथ. All very subtle and simple.
Yeah,
designs.
simple wear, nice. And so we have 3-piece sets as well in Mal cotton and Mal Chanderi. Look at these very soft fabrics. Nice contrast dupatta.
Yeah. With the hand embroidered detail. कुछ सिल्क में भी है, थोड़ा और हैवी चाहिए तो.
Okay.
So, the cut work detailing.
Yeah, nice. Oh, very pretty. Handwork के साथ.
All with the handwork, all with the pure material.
Pure material and pure handwork.
ये भी चंदेरी है.
चंदेरी में लॉन्ग में है ये. This is also long.
Pure chignon with the handwork.
Beautiful. Okay. And this rack is
25% off.
flat 25% off on this entire rack. These are the last single pieces that are left. We have anarkali. Alright, so these are some 2-piece sets. Long mein for your daily wear as well. Look at these with pockets.
With the patch pocket. This is a muslin.
Muslin mein. Nice.
With the dupatta के साथ भी है sets.
Okay.
Very cotton.
Then we have in whites.
Lots of white. This is an organza.
Wow.
Some prints में अगर चाहिए तो.
Nice.
इसमें 5-6 colors हैं हमारे पास.
Okay, we have color options in that.
This is in muslin.
Muslin, pure muslin.
Yeah. So
One of the best material
for summers.
for summers and body के लिए भी बहुत मजा आता है इसको पहनने में.
Yeah.
It fits really well.
Yeah.
ये देखो पूरे अजरक में.
ये अफगानी पैंट के साथ है. This is also very nice.
Pretty, very nice. So this section, ये वाला जो पूरा रैक है, it's flat 850. Pick anything. So थोड़े pics मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. Yes.
Regular shirts हैं. कुर्ती के साथ आप पहन सकते हो. 1 pieces हैं.
Nice. Sleeveless है, embroidered है. These are the dresses. Then shirts. ये सारी shirts option है. Best fabric में. Look at these. We also have sizes till 5XL. So let's check that out.
कुछ अच्छे सूट्स में भी हैं 5XL तक.
Okay, and these are all stitched, so
Yeah.
don't worry. Nice.
Pure handwork, pure Kolkata material, pure Dola silk. And then we have some cord sets, nice cord sets.
Pretty. Nice.
Done.
तो समर कलेक्शन तो है ही, साथ ही साथ दे ऑल्सो हैव सम फेस्टिव वेयर, वेडिंग कलेक्शन या फिर साइडर्स के लिए, छोटे मोटे फेस्टिविटीज के लिए. सो दीज आर ऑल लॉन्ग गाउन्स इन नाइस टिश्यू विद कोटा पट्टी. लुक एट दिस, समथिंग विद बेल्ट. सो दिस इज द एंटायर रैक. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अ ग्लिम्स. अगर किसी की अपकमिंग पार्टी है या शादी है, so you can actually purchase it. Perfect piece. Off shoulder में. Then we have something like this as well. Beautiful. We have it in tissue. Look at shararas. They also have lehengas available. Look at this. Pre-draped dupatta के साथ. That's the bag. Then we have this with like cape.
Yeah.
Nice, पूरा handwork. ये भी चनिया with nice blouse and dupatta. Look at the blouse.
All very stylish pieces.
Yes, then we have shades of pink,
Peach.
peach है, pink है. So yes, you can discover in that. Then these are Indo-Westerns. So different kaftans मिल जाएंगे, off shoulders हैं. Look at that. And we have these.